Are you living according to the life you designed or living according to the life that was designed for you? Unfortunately, most people are living according to the life that was designed for them, and that is default mode. And I don't want you to be like most people. So in this video, I will show you how to break out of default mode and start living by design with clarity, intention, and direction. So let me be real with you. Living life on default mode is the silent destroyer of destiny, and many people are unaware of it. Many people play by the books. You've been told to go to school, get good grades, work very hard, get a good job, start a side hustle if possible, and that's it. So a day in your life looks like this. You wake up, scroll a little on social media, rush through your day, do what's expected, scroll again on social media, crash in your bed, put it on repeat, day in, day out. You know it's not serving you. Your soul is yearning for more, but you keep telling yourself to keep going. It can only get better. You keep saying God knows best and He's the only one that knows the plan for my life. But did He tell you not to plan your life? I hope you know anything that is left to itself will naturally tend towards entropy, which is default, the opposite of intention, which is design. So here's the gig. When you shift from entropy to intention, everything changes. You stop reacting to life and start living by design. You stop surviving and start restructuring your life. You stop drifting and start moving with purpose. Because purpose brings clarity and clarity brings peace. So this is your wake-up call, your chance to get out of life loop and get into purpose lane. Because if you can live a life by design, why would you live a life by default? I don't know if I've said this here before, but I'm going to say it again. If you don't design your life, life will design it for you. And it will not come close to what God designed for you. If you don't get intentional about how you spend your time, who you spend your time with, what you say yes to, trust me, you will never gain momentum. Some people are still waiting for motivation to push them out of default mode. Trust me, what you need right now is renovation. And if you don't start renovating your life, nothing will change. So let me check with you. I hope you're not part of those that are waiting for motivation. Okay, just checking. So how do you move from default mode to design mode? So the first step is to start with an awareness. All transformation starts with an awareness. Stop numbing out life and scrolling past your life like it's not yours. Stop outsourcing your life to design for you. Start observing your patterns. What are you doing every day? Become aware of your daily activities and not the vision of the future you have in mind. Is your daily activities aligned with the vision of the future you have in mind? Because your daily activities is what sums up the picture of the vision you have in mind. And just so you know, you can't change what you are not aware of or what you are not ready to call out. So the second thing you need to do is to audit your life. You have to start taking inventory of your activities. Where are you wasting time? What routines are on repeat but no longer serve you? Who drains you more than grow you? Can I be real with you? This was one of the questions that shook me out of default mode, and I hope it shakes you out as well. So if you do not audit your life and ask yourself honest questions, you might not be able to shake out of default mode easily. So the third thing you need to do is to design with intention. This is where you reclaim your control. Many people want to stumble on a masterpiece life without first designing a masterpiece life. Have you ever seen a fashion designer stumble on a masterpiece outfit and saying, God did it? No. They illustrate it first. God can give you the insight and the wisdom on how to go about it, but it must first be on paper before it can become a masterpiece. And that's the same way your life is. So you waiting on God to help you stumble into a masterpiece life is just a waste of time. You have to design it first, then God will give you the insights, the wisdom on how to navigate it. So if you're one of those people that are waiting to stumble on a designed life, I hope you don't keep waiting till thy kingdom come. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to start designing with intention. Define your non-negotiables, build habits that serves your future, set boundaries that protect your energy, and only say yes if it aligns. Stop waiting for motivation. You actually don't need more of it. I don't know if I said this earlier. Rather, use structure, use discipline, and use vision to design your life. Because if you don't design your life, someone else will. And if you don't know where to start from, let me introduce you to the Intentional Living Challenge Maiden Edition, starting first week in August. It's the first of its kind. We've done a test trial of the challenge and the reviews are amazing. So it's time to finally make it live. And the essence of this challenge is to help you design a masterpiece life you can stumble on. It's going to help you rebuild and renovate your life from purpose and help you create a sustainable economy that can fund the masterpiece life. I know default mode feels safe, but it's dangerous. It keeps you comfortable, predictable, and stuck. But living with intention requires effort. But trust me, it's worth every ounce of your effort. And it also gives you freedom. It gives your life clarity, meaning, and direction. So let me ask you today, are you ready to stop living on default mode and start living by design? I'll leave you with that question. If you found this video helpful, kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. Share with another intentional soul. Most importantly, subscribe for more on purpose, wealth, and intentional living. And like I would always say, don't forget to stay intentional with your actions, and I'll see you in the next video.